start the basic tags with the heading tags. So for that, here as I said, I have 6 level of heading tags starting from H1, which is the biggest in size. You can carry on with the remaining ones, that is H2, H still H6. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll just say this is heading 1. Alright, so let's come to the browser where I have already opened it, and as soon as I will refresh, you can see this is heading 1. Now I can continue with the others. Alright, so we'll do required changes. So now as here you can see, I have used all the 6 tags, that is from H1 to H6 with the different text. So as soon as I will save the document, I'll refresh it here. You can see the different size of headings are now available over your browser. If you want to align them all in the center, what you can do, you can just put the center tag. So I will put the center from the beginning and will close at the end. So I have actually enclosed all the 6 headings inside it. So all will be aligned center now, like this. Alright, if you want to make it alignment right, in coming videos we'll start working with the attributes, which will help us out in aligning by putting more attributes to any tag. But for now, I'll just only go for the headings. As here you can see, all the different headings are appearing in the different line. But if I'll put the different text, for example, if I'm writing a very basic text, a paragraph, so for paragraph, I will use a P tag, and after that I can start writing whatever I want. So let me first remove these tags to make the output more clear. And inside this, I will put a paragraph tag. Again, I'll close it at the end, and between that I will write all the text. So this is a new paragraph. Alright, you can write as much as you want inside this. But now if I want to put the next line in the another line, means let's say this is next line. So you can see all the things are there in the same line. Alright, but if I want to break the line from here, what I can do is I can put the BR tag. So basically this BR is a single tag, means it is not a pair tag, because I don't want to write anything between the opening and closing tags of BR. So what I can do is I can actually close it immediately. Even if you will not close it, it will not going to show you any error, but technically whichever tag is open has to be closed. So here I will make it a empty tag, means a non-pair tag, and I will close it immediately. So now when I'll refresh, you can see it has broken the line. Similarly, if you want to put some more spaces between any words, for example, by default when I'm giving a single space, it is showing a single space out here as well. But in case if I'll give some space to this, some more spaces, they will not be reflected. Alright, so for giving the extra spaces, what I can do is I can use ampersand NBSP. That will equivalent to the half space. So now I'll copy paste that for giving multiple spaces, and as soon as I'll come here and refresh, you can see there are some spaces between these two words. Now similarly, if I want to put some formatting inside, means pre-formatting in my web page, that is not possible by default. So that's, for example, if I want to draw this particular pattern, alright, so I want that these asterisks, these stars should be displayed over the web page like this. But when I will refresh here, you can see all are coming again in a same line, because only one space will be shown between these asterisks. Alright, so if I want to display all these things as it is, or wherever I want the output, that should be as it is as you have designed it here, I will go for the pre-formatted tag, that is this pre-tag. So whatever formatting you will do inside this, whatever you will write in between these tags, they will be displayed as it is. All right, as here you can see, now the output and this particular pattern is exactly the same. Now let's take one more scenario. As I have already gone through the heading tag, here I'm using the h2. So maybe this is the heading of my page, and after that I want to start a paragraph related to this. Alright, so this is paragraph 1. Alright, so obviously it will be looking like this. Now I want to draw a line between the heading and the paragraph to mark it as a separator. So for that, what I can do, I can use the HR tag. It will draw the horizontal line in my web page like this. Alright, so if you want to alter the size of this particular HR, I will do that with the help of the attributes. But here I'm not going to cover the attributes. Here we are just going through some basic tags. So this is the HR tag which will draw the horizontal line in your web page. So these are all some basic tags using which you can start writing some basic HTMLs. In our coming video, we are going to cover some more fantastic features of HTML.